Hi, ninth graders. Now that you have a notebook set up with Cornell Notes, where you have questions on the side and notes on the right, we are going to take some notes and write them in our notebook. When you finish taking your notes today, you will take a picture of your notes, or if you decided to take notes in Notability, you will submit a screenshot. So at the top of your page, you should have a line that you start down the side, and you are going to write this question today. What types or kinds of characters are in a story? We know that characters are in stories, and we know there are lots of different kinds of characters in stories we read. When we read the story of the Three Little Pigs, we had 3 pigs and 1 wolf. When we read the story of A Bad Case of Stripes, we had Camilla, the doctors, her mother, her father, and the old lady. But we also know that some characters are different than others. Today we will copy these notes to tell us about these different kinds of characters. What types of characters are in a story? On this side in your notebook, please write flat characters. Flat characters are characters that don't change, and they don't have many interesting details or traits about them. A flat character is a character like the doctor in A Bad Case of Stripes. He does not change very much. He doesn't have that many interesting traits. A round character is a character that changes. They are complex. There is many parts to them. They are interesting and have many traits. A round character is a character like Camilla Cream. She changes a lot in the story. Also, the 3 little pigs, the 2 that make the bad houses, they are also round characters. They change and they learn. After you copy this, you're going to go down and write the next sentence. How are characters developed? When we say developed, we mean how do these characters change throughout the story? How do they grow? These are some of the ways that characters change. How the character looks, like Camilla Cream changes her looks. The things that they do, and the things that they say. Sometimes it's the things that they think, or how other characters feel or think about them. These notes are how characters are developed. Please copy these down. You can always hit pause on my video to make sure you write them. The last 2 parts we're going to talk about today are this word conflict. What is the conflict in a text? Write this question on the side. The conflict is the problem the characters are facing and need to solve. In A Bad Case of Stripes, the problem was that she had stripes and could not get rid of them. The problem in the 3 Little Pigs is that the wolf is going to eat them if they don't have a stronger house. Please copy the conflict notes. You can pause my video to copy. The last thing is, how does character change relate or connect to the conflict and the theme? These are new words today, and we will continue to talk about them in the future. But for now, please copy this. Usually, the conflict and the attempt to solve the conflict, that's like when they try to fix the problem, is what changes the character. We know the 2 little pigs who made the bad house had a problem with making the strong house, and the wolf almost got to them. We know the characters changed from trying to solve that problem of not getting eaten by the wolf. The theme or the message, sometimes we call it the lesson, is also tied to the conflict. Please make sure you have all of these notes in your notebook today, and then I would like you to take a picture of your notebook and I would like you to upload your notes. That tells me you took good notes, and I will see them and you will get points.